All right, good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Monday, the 22nd of January. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And we are talking about trading for Tuesday, the 23rd. And I think there's two potential good trades. I think JAG is one I threw one out a couple days ago, but we didn't get filled on it today. I believe we were looking to buy it right down in here. So if we can get a little push lower, down, I would say below the low of today of 14.18 or below, anywhere in here would be looking to buy this market. As you can see, the RSI is got oversold. We were oversold. Then we just popped up here, which that bar, right? Now we're coming, I'm hoping we come down just a little bit in here, and I'd be looking to buy it right in here for a move to the upside. Okay, another one is AXP, American Express. Who doesn't love American Express, right? Great company, and we are forming an inside vertical bar, right? The high of today, Monday, is lower than Friday's high, and the low is higher than Friday's low. So I believe we're getting a good setup, right? Market's starting to contract a little bit. It's not a tight little inside vertical bar like I typically like to see, but nonetheless, inside bar. Trading between this moving average and this moving average, and take a look at that 2-bar RSI as well, right? Right here, oversold, still oversold, right? So let's just see where it closed Friday. Friday closed at 98.03. We're at 97.96, so we're slightly lower than Friday's close, so that's good. And again, you could either wait for the market to penetrate up through Monday's high of 98.34 to 98, let's say 44, 10-cent penetration, or quite honestly, you could buy it anywhere on a pullback within the, I mean, if the market were to open up lower, great, buy it on the open, as long as we're below where it closes today, okay? Again, a little bit more conservative, if you want a little bit more conservative entry and buy it on the way up, again, that buy would take place at about 98.44, okay? And again, we're looking for this market to resume, come back to 102 roughly. Again, so that's what I'm looking at. As you can see, gold is up, a little up, still on the big upswing here, settling down before we probably move higher. Take a look at the E-minis. Look at this. I mean, this is not stopping. Take a look at this market, just straight up. Let's take a look. Where was the first trading day of the year? I mean, God, look at this. First trading day of the year was right there. Look at this. Opened up on the low of the year, right here. 2674 to 2830. I mean, come on. We got 100 and almost 200 S&P points. That's crazy. 26 to 100 and about 160 points to the upside. This is amazingly strong. So first trading day of the year, second, look at higher highs and higher lows every single day except for the 10th of January. We had a lower high and a lower low, and then right back up, right back. Look at this. Higher highs. Okay, we had a little tight little inside vertical bar near the high of this range, and then look at it, took it out. Look at the bar that actually took that out. It was an outside bar, which is the opposite of an inside bar, right? The low took out the inside bar's low, and it took out the high of the inside bar's high, and closed above the all-time high here as well. Very strong. And then, right, that happened Friday. Look at today. I mean, amazing. Opened up near the low of 28.04, we're up to 28.30. Just an extremely strong market. So for those of you trying to trade short on the short side, or I mean, you got to go with the flow, right? Price action's everything, and price action is telling us that this market wants to continue moving higher. So that's about my take, right? Let's just take a look at TF, right, which is the Russell, right, Russell 2000. Hasn't quite hit the highs, so we've got a little divergence between the S&P 500 and the Russell. Now let's look at the Dow. Okay, Dow is not as strong as the E-minis as well, but we're up, all-time new highs. Look at this, 2616, unbelievable. And let's look at the NASDAQ market. And that is extremely strong like the S&P 500. So crazy, crazy, crazy strong market. Straight up. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.